There is something that makes me come into PDP. Nagula. There is something that makes me come into PDP. Nagula. 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 There is something that makes me come into PDP.
Prince Tony Omwage, are you here?
Pay the pay! Pay the pay! The thing will make me join this party, even though now me be the first deputy national secretary, we don't come out, I don't come back, now to get good luck Jonathan for 2015 again. God bless you.
Thank you. May I call Deputy Speaker of our State Assembly, Honorable Festus Ebea. PDP! Power to the people! Like our leaders have just said, the APC only had a stand in my local government, East and Southeast, part of Fish and Land in Edo State. The last man standing has just moved over to the PDP. The entire Fish and Land is now back to the PDP, and that means APC is finally dead and buried. PDP! Only PDP for original. Only PDP for original. May I invite Honorable Abubakar Momo of the House of Representatives. May I invite former youth leader becoming now from Bayelsa State. Great Nigerian youth, I have decided to follow good law. I have decided to follow good law. I have decided to follow good law. No turning back, no turning back. I have decided to follow good law. I have decided to follow good law. I have decided to follow good law. Please, 3 bosses for Mr. President. Bossa, bossa, bossa. 3 yeah for my party. Yeah. That's APC. Thank you. Power to the people. Let me once again use this opportunity to let Mr. President know that speaking is Abubakar Momo, representing Esako Federal Constituency, where you have the comrade governor of the state. I would like to use this opportunity to assure you that come 2015, as far as a donut is concerned, and as far as a State is concerned, it will be delivered to PDP. And we are giving you the assurance, not necessarily because we just came in, but for the main fact that if you look at the people, the leader with whom we all came to the party together, they are the people that form APC in this state, starting from Chief Tommy Kimi, Tony Omange, the state chairman, and all others. I think all those who were responsible for the formation of ACN in those states are no more there. We have all pulled out. And as a member of the National Assembly under the PDP and State Assembly from 1999 to 2003, I can assure you that we will replicate what we have been doing in the past in the donut. Once again, I have to thank you and thank the chairman of the party.
God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. President. Lastly, what the gentleman has said, we have been the cooks here who cooked the food. Some people came, they took the food away, they took the plate away, they took the spoons away, they took the pot away,
They took the firewood away, and we, the cooks, were left hanging. We have now prepared a new menu, Mr. President. We shall cook a delicious menu, which we shall feed to all our people in Edo State and Nigeria. I thank you very much. Mr. Chairman, National Chairman, Mr. National Chairman, please, you will help us to speak to all the branches in the South-South to agree to incorporate all our members who are now decamping or who are now leaving APC, to fully integrate them into the PDP party in the various states. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Chief Toami Kimi. You are welcome to the party and members of your group. I want to assure you all the various groups, leadership at various strata, right from the zonal to the various states, local governments, and the wards have heard. Please accept all members of his group, reintegrate them back into our group to ensure that they are part of us. I want to assure you, PDP is a great party. We have a great sword, and I want to assure you, we have a great leader. I will therefore, for short of time, want to congratulate Mr. President. Mr. President, not only are you good luck in name, indeed, you are a good luck man. And I pray that your good luck will continue to spread on all of us and on all Nigerians. Please, I want to ask all of you to join me in welcoming our leader, distinguished leader of our party, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our very humble and amiable leader, Dr. Goodluck Ebele Azikwe Jonathan, great commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
There is no vacancy in Asura. There is no vacancy in Asura. We want to love Jonathan again. There is no vacancy in Asura. We want to love Jonathan again. No vacancy. We want to love Jonathan again. No vacancy. Hey, good love Jonathan again. No vacancy, no vacancy. Good love Jonathan again. No vacancy. Hey, we want good love. Good love. No vacancy. Good love Jonathan. Thank you. Because of the rain, we'll be brief. PDP! Power to the people! PDP! Power to the people! Power to the people! PDP! His Excellency Adamu Mwazu, the national chairman of our PDP, a great party, the game changer. His Excellency Chief Tony Anini, the chairman of our Board of Trustees,